Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love bite. Libra, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Libra, we're going to start with our angel blessing card as always. Let's see what my angels will bless this reading with. A guidance card, a message, a blessing. Guidance, blessing, advice, or a message for Libra. This one. All right, let's put this card here, Libra. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Libra, is pause. So any kind of a pause going on in your love life, Libra, right now? Let's keep this here. Let's figure out what's going on in your love life. Why is there a pause? Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your wonderful comments, your likes, your shares. Thank you very much. Keeps me motivated. And yes, if you're new here, we welcome you too, Libra. Please join the channel, subscribe to it, and become part of us. We welcome you in to the Omkara family. So let's begin. Newbies, this is just going to be a small little mini love bite. Your longer readings have already been put up. I'll leave a link at the end of the video. You can check those out if you like this one. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, my email is in the description box below. Bottom of my deck, I have the 10 of Pentacles. So Libra, are you thinking of long-term commitment, marriage? Let's put this here. Start opening your cards. The first card I have is the Magician. Maybe you're manifesting a commitment or a marriage. And then the 7 of Pentacles, wanting to invest maybe into a partnership. But right now, somebody seems to be in hermit mode, trying to find the answers. All right, so there's been a big fight or a conflict here that's coming up center of my spread here. But somebody wants to now come out of it and not live the rest of their life in regret and sorrow and hopefully find wish fulfillment once again. Right now, whoever this person is, Libra, now I could be picking up your energy. I could be picking up your cross watchers energy, okay? So this could be you, could be your person. So right now, whoever this person is who's manifesting is right now feeling like they lost the battle. Maybe there was a tower moment here, or there is going to be. Let's see what's going to happen. And the 4 of Pentacles, because maybe something is getting released here, Libra. Let's go on to dialogue message cards and see what's going on first. Libra and their person, Spirit. Libra and their person. Libra and their person. If they had to say something to each other. Libra and their person. Okay. Now these fell out in a weird way. I'm going to put them back. Libra and their person, Spirit. One more. Okay, that's better. Thank you. All right. Let's take a few more from here, Libra. One more card. Thank you. We've got them all. And now we can begin. So the first card here is, my heart breaks a little bit more every day that we are apart. I'm telling you, there's a pause going on and there's been a big fight or a conflict here. And you guys may be in separation at the moment. You fuck someone else and your soul comes to make love to me. I know when you're with someone else and this just makes me feel heartbroken. You should be making love to me. And that's the reason this fight has happened, because maybe there was infidelity going on here. Maybe this was like a committed relationship where you guys were meant to be together, or you were together, and one partner found out that their partner was seeing other people. I get so triggered seeing you do things for your karmics when I want you to do things I want you to do for me. No, I get so triggered seeing you do things for the karmics that I want you to do for me. It pisses me off because we should be together. Why are you wasting time for? Needs no explanation, Libra. Love doesn't even begin to describe what I feel about you. There are no words to explain the depth of my feelings. So maybe this person has never even said, I love you. And their excuse is that love is just love. I have so much more that I feel for you. Why do you feel it necessary to try and label me? See, exactly as I was saying. Like, what is this love and all? I have feelings which go beyond love, and maybe we are spiritually connected. And, this person doesn't want to be labeled because maybe they want to see other people. So, Libra, this could be you, right? This could be you or could be your person. This person, whoever has cheated, is saying, why do you feel it necessary to try and label me? I'm far more than any label could ever describe, and so is our connection. I find this a bit of an escapist attitude to say, we love each other, but because I'm maybe going to see other people or cheat or do whatever, let's not put a label to our relationship. I swear you get more beautiful every day. With age, you refine and blossom like fine wine. You're absolutely stunning inside out. So this is a smooth talker, yes. And also this card indicates that you guys have known each other for a very, very long time. And that's what I'm saying. It almost feels like a committed relationship, or it could have been as well, right? You guys could have been married, or it seemed like you guys were meant to be married, or that unspoken feeling that you belong to each other. So even though the relationship has been long, which tells me with age you refine and blossom, that means you've known each other for a decade or more here. And the sweet words are there about how beautiful you are. You are the owner of my heart, my feelings, my soul, and my body. I belong to you. We are one. I love you. So somebody is saying it in this message. The love is there, but I don't think it's ever been expressed in words or the commitment being given. So let's see now what's happening. So the pause has come now because maybe one person got fed up and there's been a fight regarding that, and now somebody is manifesting something. So what's this magician spirit? What's this magician want? What is he manifesting? Trying to manifest back the commitment which has now been destroyed. Some beautiful commitment which has now gone, and now somebody is now trying to manifest or dream it up or think it up, or thinking, should I invest now? Because now the tower has already fallen. The tower has fallen. It was never built on a firm foundation. It was built on sand. And when something is built on sand, there is no label, no emotions are ever shown, no commitment is ever given, and one person is out there sleeping around or seeing other people, then that means that structure was very weak. And now that structure has fallen, and now I think somebody is woken up to say, oh my God, what happened here? According to them, their solid ground has now been shaken. But the whole point is there was no solid ground. Because now what this person is trying to manifest is something new once again. They want to receive a message or something which, which can come maybe from the other person. They're manifesting it. They're not sending it. They are hoping a message will come to them. 7 of Pentacles, Spirit. 7 of Pentacles. Yeah, this person wants their luck to change. They want to have forward movement. They are hoping and wishing that somebody will invest back into the connection, not them. They are just being the magician here and trying to manifest it. This is not the person who's going to fight for it or try one more time or anything like that. They don't want to do anything. I am not going to pick myself up and go and make this first move or apologize or say sorry or anything like that. I'll just hope here that somebody else puts their guard down, puts their defenses down, and reinvests in this connection with me. This person is quietly sitting in their hermit mode. They are trying to tap into their magical powers, I think, or their spiritual powers manifest. Maybe they're alone, or they're feeling they are in hermit mode because once they're stable in their mind, what was their stable long-term partner has finally gotten fed up of them and left. Now they're feeling that loneliness here. This person doesn't want to spend the rest of their life, looking back in the sorrow and regret, because they know that where their happiness actually was. Now, whoever this person is, Libra, this could be you again, this could be your person. But this person is now kind of regretting it. They can't sleep at night. Now they're being haunted by all the bad things they did or didn't do, whatever they didn't do, they didn't offer commitment, and how they hurt their partner. Now all these things are haunting this person. And now they're thinking about this fight. Five of Wands, Spirit. They are manifesting a reunion, okay? They know the conflict that has happened, but they are trying to manifest a reunion because they want to be once again put back on the throne. They want to take back power. They want to have that power, that control, that, I am the boss and you come to me and we should have a reunion, because they know that their partner makes them really, really happy. Nine of Cups, Spirit. Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups. This person is a bit greedy. This person is a bit self-centered. They are in the Nine of Cups energy where they want to remain single. They don't want to commit. It's like, I have my 9 cups. My 9 cups are full, I'm happy. I don't want to take any other direction in my life because this is what gives me satisfaction. And with this energy, they are still wanting to have a reunion and just consider their partner as one of the 9 cups. And that's the reason their partner felt, what's the point? It can't always be your way or the highway, right? I always end up feeling like the loser here. And I think this partner has finally kind of given them a tower moment here and released them. Five of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Five of Swords in reverse, yes. Always feeling there's no movement forward, always feeling betrayed, always feeling like the person who's always been left out. It was not a very good feeling for the other person, right? So what was this tower moment, Spirit, that was created or is coming? Tower moment. Tower moment. The tower moment is that after whatever argument, fight, or whatever has happened, one person has sneaked out of this relationship saying, hey, I can't do this anymore, and left the other partner who wanted actually to be the emperor is now sitting here sad and depressed and now feeling the same rejection as they made their partner feel. Okay, now they've put them, and this is a tower moment for them because I think this person likes to win at all costs. They always like to be put on a pedestal. It's like that God syndrome that, I am the boss. And everybody, all these 9 cups should always be available to me, not realizing that this cup was not one of the regular ones. Four of Pentacles, Spirit. Four of Pentacles in reverse. Now they are feeling like their partners released them. And they've lost the biggest cup. I was just talking about the 9 cups. This was the cup. This was the overflowing, that huge golden cup. And now this is in reverse. So now they're fearing, I've lost the love of my life. And now this person is in deep stress. Now it's like a self-imposed prison because now they don't know how to get out of it. All they can do, but the sad part here, Libra, whether this is you or your partner, this person is still not taking action to repair the damage. They're still sitting here and trying to manifest it, still being in hermit mode, waiting for somebody else to put back investment in this relationship. I don't see any apology, any sorry, nothing going from this person's end. And that's the reason of this pause. That's the reason the pause is there. Why will this person come back who's been betrayed and anything else, Spirit, for Libra? Yes, their partner, I think, is moving on, made a choice. Yes, they feel this is karmic justice. I'll make the choice for you if you can't. This is karmic justice for me. I have the world in my hands. Why am I sitting around waiting to be one of your nine cups? I'll go out there and choose something new for myself. So that is where you guys are at, Libra, right now. There's a pause going on, and if this magician doesn't come back to ground, they'll just keep sitting under a tree and lose the best thing that's ever happened to them. Their Ace of Cups is gone. So that's all I have for you, Libra. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.